Hello everyone, in this video we will be going over how to convert an Excel file into different formats using C# and the Excel Interop library. Now most of us are familiar with working with Excel files that have the .xlsx extension. However, there are various other extensions that you may come across such as .xls for older files, .xlsm for macro-enabled workbooks, and many others. And you may find yourself wanting to build a program where you can convert Excel files between these different formats programmatically. By the end of this video, you'll know how to do just that. Let's take a look at the code in this Visual Studio project. If you have any questions about how to set up an Excel Interop project, please refer to the first video in the description. This project will open an already existing Excel workbook that is currently in the .xls format. Let's verify this by running our project. As we can see, it has opened that workbook successfully. Now we want to convert this workbook into the more familiar .xlsx format. To do this, we will type test workbook.save as. Then we will pass in the first parameter, which is a save path. We can copy this from the above line. Note that this should be the full path including the file name, and because it is the full path, we will need to make sure we type the file extension that we want to save to in the path itself. So let's add an extra x at the end so we get the .xlsx file format. The next step is to pass in a second parameter. This parameter will determine which file format we want to convert it to, and it is of type Excel file format. Excel file format is an enum where each date represents a different Excel file format. If we visit the online documentation for Excel file format, we can see all of the fields and which formats they correspond to. I'll put a link to this webpage in the description. In our case, we want to type Excel file format .excel open XML workbook. This date is equivalent to the .xlsx file format, so what will happen is the program will open the already existing .xls workbook. It will then resave it in the format that we specified. Let's go ahead and run our code. If we open the File Explorer, we will see that the workbook has been saved with the .xlsx format. And there you have it. This is how you can convert between different Excel file formats. This functionality may be especially useful if you find yourself in a situation where you have to convert many workbooks into a different format. In such a situation, you could loop through the file paths and convert multiple workbooks into a new format very quickly. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, if there are any topics I haven't covered, feel free to suggest them in the comments. I may make a video about them in the future. Thanks for watching.